Got no time? Got a test? It's time to cram.
Hello dear students, SSLC has published a model question paper for upcoming board examinations. We all know that this question paper how helpful for the board examination. It gives good result, very good result or a distinction in upcoming 2025-26 board examinations. So today let us learn the multiple choice questions for this question paper. First question is the HCF of 3 and 5. We know that 3 and 5 are prime numbers. Prime number having only two factors, 1 and number itself. So they do not have any other common factor in between both. So that is why the HCF is a 1. Second question for the polynomial. You can see the graph of the polynomial here. The graph intersecting with x-axis at different points. Let us find how many points are there with the intersection of the graph with x-axis. Here this is the first point, second point, third point and fourth point. So answer is 4. So in this way, we will solve the entire board question paper of set 1. So in this video today, here we will end up. So give comments, like, share and subscribe the video and wait for the next upcoming video. Thank you.